Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car, the new Dongfeng 14 T5 EVO Sport. So this is the updated model with the new trim, the sport trim that gives you even more sporty look. So you see this new grille, new design for the bumper. Of course we have the well-known split headlights design that I really love. Definitely an eye-catching design. Now moving on to the side, more pronounced side skirts on the sport trim. You have the 19-inch wheels, as you can see, and 4 meters 56.5 centimeters is the length of the car. Now I will unlock it. Once again, you see the connected taillights, gorgeous design, and here you can see even more pronounced lower section of the bumper on this sport trim. Of course, the 4 exhaust pipes, 14 lettering. You also saw the dynamic indicators. Let me open the tailgate. I can do it with the key. There we go. And here we are greeted with 480 liters of space, up to 1,480 liters, some tools, and then also below this you have the spare wheel as well. Press this to close the tailgate and we are ready to go on a nice relaxed night drive in the city. And from this angle, look how sporty does it look. So without further ado, here I first want to show you the seats on this trim with the integrated headrest and the beautiful color. I'm a huge fan of this. Would definitely be my spec here inside. So now let's check it out from driver's perspective. There we go. Here is your view as a driver. Let me immediately turn on the car and put on my seat belt. There we go. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna release the electronic parking brake, put the car into drive, and we are ready to start driving. And let's start with the specifications of the car. It's got the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol unit from Mitsubishi, producing 177 horsepower, 260 newton meters of torque. Top speed is 180 kilometers per hour. We have the 7-speed DCT dual clutch automatic transmission from MAGNA STYER. So very nice combination. The car has got the front wheel drive, and yeah, overall again very nice combination. Here you can see the lovely ambient around us with the updated, and by the way, another Dongfeng here. So that's cool to see. So the digital cockpit in front of us, the updated one, and then also the main touchscreen, the new infotainment system, 12.25-inch screen. You have various driving modes. I will show you that once we get out of this pretty big garage. And I hope you will enjoy this night drive through my hometown of Zagreb in Croatia. And by the way, look at this. By pressing the button on the steering wheel, you can have this view. You can also have the 3D one. So let me do this. There we go. So it helps you in situations like this one, where you have tight parking spot and actually exit of the garage. So you see here the 3D view of the car. Very cool detail indeed. And yeah, you see this, also the cameras. This updated model has got the new infotainment system. I really love this layout. You can also have this view with the icons like this, and then here if we go to vehicle settings, you can also change the ambient light color, as you can see here. So tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. I think the red suits the car. And then also big news is that we have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto here. So if I press this, there we go. Here is how the Apple CarPlay looks. So that is really cool, and of course very useful. There's also again the Android Auto, so that's a big plus. And then also you can see the new digital cockpit in front of us. And if I change the driving modes, you see different views here in front of us. There we go. So normal, eco, and sport. Let's put the normal one for now. And then here is your Apple CarPlay view. Press the car here to go back to the menu of the car. And the AC is on switches, so that is always nice to see. And we also have the blind spot assist now, as you can see here. If I turn on the indicator, you have this beeping sound. You can turn it off. You can just have this flashing, or you can turn it off completely. So you can adjust that in the settings. In sport mode, the best throttle response. And you can also adjust the steering. So if we go here, here you see we have the steering mode setting. So currently I have it on sport. You can also have the standard and comfort, but I quite like the setting for sport. Let's do another lap. The car has also got the heating of the seats, so you can adjust it here, and also cooling of driver's seat, as well as the massage, which is actually very pronounced and good. I am a big fan of the massage in the car. So now we have the cooling, but yeah, seat massage is here. So there are various options available, and then you can also adjust the intensity of the massage. So very cool indeed. And I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like this layout? How do you like the drive so far? You can also change the gears manually, so push the gear lever to the left, and now if you push it forward, you change to upper gear, and then push it towards you for the lower gear, so you can play with that as well, and then put it back to the right to go into drive. And also here I want to show you, we have the map view. So currently we have the Apple CarPlay, so we have the maps, but if you give Wi-Fi to the car from your phone, here you can have the Google Maps. So that is really cool and convenient, and I will show you that. Actually I already showed that in my full review during the day, so you can watch that video to see more details of the infotainment system itself. But definitely a big improvement. I'm a big fan of it, and yeah, they did a great job with those upgrades compared to the pre-upgraded model. Alright guys, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of more to come. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the car, how do you like this drive, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.